Are you looking to dive into the world of trading? Discover how to maximize your profits with our step-by-step guide on using the Plus 500 trading platform. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, learn tips and tricks that can elevate your trading game and unlock your financial potential. Don't miss out. Let's get started. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Plus 500 trading platform. So welcome again. So first of all have to do is open a browser and dive into plus500.com. This is the homepage as you can see. I will show you how you can sign up and then you get started with plus500.com. So welcome to our guide on plus500, the popular trading platform known for its user-friendly interface and diverse range of financial instruments. In this video, we will define Plus 500 and explore its features that attract traders worldwide. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, there is something here for you. Stick around until the end for exclusive tips to enhance your trading journey. Let's get started. So the first step, as I mentioned before, you have just to dive into plus500.com and you'll find this page as you can see. So here we have various things to know it, like firstly, which is why we use plus500. Firstly, it's protected and safe. Your data is safe and your money is kept in separate bank accounts in accordance with legal requirements. Also, we have your professional support. Enjoy dedicated customer service around the clock in multiple languages. Then we have regulated and reliable. If we scroll down, we will find also here the step or the smarter to act. The first one, which is practice your strategy. Try our free demo account before opening a real trading account to explore our intuitive trading platform and improve your skills. Then we have here expand your knowledge, learn more about trading with Plus 500 using our comprehensive educational materials. Then we have the last one, which is manage your risk. Use our advanced risk management tools to limit your losses and record profit. So let's get started. You have just to go to the sign up here, and then you will find an account and you link your personal information. But the issue we have here that there is no other country that you can join with it. So if you live in, for example, Africa and other things, you should use a free VPN. So here we have the VPN that I used, and you have just to activate like that. And here we have it, as you can see. Then you will find this page, as you can see. So this is the home page. We have here several things that you have to do. So using Plus 500 trading platform, it's easy and user-friendly. Start by creating an account and completing the verification process. Once you are logged in, explore various financial instruments like stocks, Forex, and cryptocurrencies. To place a trade, select your asset, decide whether to buy or sell, and set your investment amount. Don't forget to utilize features like stop loss and take profit orders to manage your risk effectively. So this is how you can get started with plus500.com. So here we have a various things like all popular, spotlight. As you can see, we have popular options, risers and fillers. Then we have here my watch list, and we have here all commodities, natural gas, all options, gold, all in the indices. We have here crypto, Forex options, Forex here, and these options, shares options also, shares as well, as you can see. And here we have it. And here we have available equity, and we have a profit. Then here we have also the natural gas, as you can see. So here we have 5 minutes, 1 hour, if you want also 5 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, and we have here the max. Then here we have also the menu. For example, if you wanna the option of tools, help, settings, switch to money, and if you wanna log out. Then if you want to get started, here we have it. All right, then here we have also this option of open positions. As you can see, you have no open positions. Click to buy, sell, button in the trade screen to start opening new position. Then here we have here orders. You have no future orders. An order is a request to open a position at a specific weight. You can open an order by checking by when rate is in the buy, sell, and screen. Here we have position, insights, as you can see. Welcome to Insights. It's time to revolutionize the way you trade. Feel like taking a quick tour of Plus Insights to see how other Plus 500 traders behave on the platform. Click over Let's Go and you get started. We have navigation this simple. As you can see, you have just to click over here. Then we have here Discover Plus 500. Then we have Analyze the results. Then filter your way, and the last one, know the world is your oyster. Also, we have here the option of fonts, and here we have real money, as you can see. Then you have demo mode, as you can see, and you have also here the option of live and support, as you can see. And also here we have want to search our instruments, and this is it. Here we have instrument, change, sell, buy, and we have here high and low, as you can see. If you want to buy it, if you want to sell also. And also we have here these options of draw. Here we have crosshair, and here we have also info, and also we have here switch between the buy and sell prices of the instrument. Here we have also range selector, and the last one, which is open chart in a new window. So this is how it works with plus500.com. You can just get started. It's a famous platform. As you can see, here we have sponsors. There we have it. Here we have Leisure Bros, and we have Chicago Bulls, and we have this one. So it's very famous. You can just use it as soon as possible and you get started. So thanks for watching our guide on the Plus500 trading platform. We hope you have a clear understanding of its features and benefits. Remember, successful trading comes from practice and knowledge, so don't hesitate to apply the tips we shared. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more trading insights. Happy trading and see you next time. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.